spends more time with his Xbox than he does with me, and I'm tired of it. So can you make this thing go kaboom?
Sarah Connor, former Miss USA. Renee Diamante, Class 1 Pyrotechnic. And Petey, Stunt Monkey. This is Kaboom.
Alright, Renee, what do you have for us?
Well, Vanessa was so gracious to send us in her gaming box from her boyfriend.
Oh, great.
And we're going to show her boyfriend what happens when you play too many video games. We're blowing his hands off because he's holding on to the remote here. We're going to blow his head off. We might have a little surprise here in his head for you. And this big screen TV is laced in 25 grain deck cord.
Okay.
And we also have a pancake in the gaming console here. We're going to blow that to smithereens.
Awesome. Where's Petey?
Standing by.
There he is.
He's going to go right up here in the gaming box.
He's going to go right up in the air.
You know he's going to go flying high.
That's going to be great. I want to blow this up. Can we do it?
Let's go blow it.
All right, let's do it.